Namaskar, myself Umasankar Das. Welcome to the daily weather briefing of India Meteorological Department. Today is 21st January 2026. First, I'll give a look on the highlights of upcoming 7 days weather forecast. If you look at, due to an intense western disturbance, there is light to moderate rainfall, snowfall at most places with isolated heavy falls, that is precipitation on the range of 7 to 11 centimeter over Western Himalayan region during 22nd and 23rd. Also light to moderate rainfall at a few places on plains of northwestern India during the same period, that is 22nd, 23rd, with the peak activity on 23rd of January 2026. Along with this precipitation, there is also possibility of hailstorm, lightning, gusty wind with a speed reaching up to 60 kmph. At isolated places also likely over the Western Himalaya as well as plains of northwest India during the period. And apart from that, there is another intense western disturbance likely to affect northwest India during from 26 to 28 January 2026. If you talk about the past 24 hours weather, dense to very dense fog condition prevailed in some parts of Punjab and Haryana. Cold wave to severe cold wave condition also observed over Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. Ground fog condition has been observed over Uttarakhand. If you talk about the weather system, there are two western disturbance as of now. One is over North Pakistan as a cyclonic circulation with a trough associated with it. Another western disturbance over northeast Iran in a lower tropospheric level, lower and middle tropospheric level as a cyclonic circulation. Apart from that, there is also cyclonic circulation over Southeast Arabian Sea adjoining Lakshadweep in lower tropospheric level. Because of these weather system, we are anticipating there will be gradual rise in minimum temperature, particularly over the northwest India by 2 to 4 degree during next 2 days, and then after there will be fall by 2 to 4 degree in subsequent 2 days. Again, there will be rise due to the another intense WD that is going to impact from 26th of January. If you talk about central India, many parts of central India are likely to experience no significant change in minimum temperature during next 2 days and fall by 2 to 3 degrees subsequent 2 days and rise by 2 to 4 degree thereafter. Apart from that, if you look into the Maharashtra in particular, there will be rise by 2 to 4 degree during next 2 days and no significant change thereafter. However, over Gujarat, there will be no significant change in night temperature during next 2 days and gradual rise by 2 to 3 degree during subsequent 2 days and gradual rise by 2 to 4 degree thereafter, and no significant change in minimum temperature remaining part of the country as of now. If you talk about the weather warning, particularly for the next 24 hours, there is no significant weather warning for any part of the country. However, due to dense fog condition, possibility of dense fog condition, Punjab and Haryana particularly issued yellow alert has been issued. Also for the Nicobar Island, there is possibility of thunderstorm lightning activity on 21st and 22nd, so yellow alert has been issued. On 22nd, this intense WD likely to affect Western Himalayan region, particularly the possibility of heavy rainfall activity over Jammu Kashmir, Leh Ladakh. Also, there is possibility of thunderstorm lightning, gusty wind along with hailstorm. So, orange alert has been issued, particularly Jammu Kashmir and Punjab, and also thunderstorm activity likely over Himachal Pradesh, Haryana, as well as northern parts of Rajasthan, particularly east and west Rajasthan. If you talk about day 3, that is the peak activity of this WD likely to get effect, likely to get impact, particularly over the there is possibility of hailstorm gusty wind up to speed reaching 40 to 50 kmph. Possibility is there over Punjab, Haryana, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, over West Uttar Pradesh, also northern parts of Rajasthan. So orange alert has been issued for these subdivisions. Also there is possibility of heavy rainfall over Jammu Kashmir as well as Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand and Punjab. So orange alert has been issued for these pockets. On day 4, after the impact will be reduced, particularly on a day 4, that is from 24, there is no significant impact of this WD. However, due to increased moisture in the lower level, there is possibility of dense fog condition over Rajasthan, western pockets of Rajasthan as well as Punjab and Haryana. Thunderstorm activity possibility is there over Tamil Nadu as well. A similar weather condition likely to prevail on day 5 as well over the country, that is dense fog condition over Rajasthan, western Rajasthan, Punjab, Haryana, and also thunderstorm activity likely over the Tamil Nadu region. If you talk about day 6, day 7, no significant no warning has been issued. However, a fresh WD likely to impact Western Himalaya region and Northwest India as well from 26th, and it will continue till 28th of January. Because impact expected, you can look into the screen. Also, action suggested, accordingly you can take action. For detailed information, you can directly log in into mosam.imd.gov.in. So you can follow us in social media platform X, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram. Thank you. Namaskar.